Traveling in an RV brings an unmatched sense of freedom, but staying powered off the grid requires a dependable energy source. Solar power systems eliminate the noise and fumes of traditional gas generators, turning sunlight into clean power for your house batteries. Here is a detailed look at 3 exceptional solar panel kits engineered to keep your RV battery system charged and ready for your next adventure.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Renogy 200-watt 12-volt solar panel kit. The Renogy 200-watt 12-volt solar panel kit is an ideal entry-level rooftop setup for weekend campers and light off-grid travelers. Featuring high-efficiency monocrystalline solar cells, this compact kit delivers consistent energy output while maximizing limited RV roof space. Built with corrosion-resistant aluminum frames and tempered glass, the rigid panels comfortably withstand high winds, heavy snow, and highway speeds. The kit includes a dedicated charge controller to safeguard your lead-acid or lithium battery bank against overcharging and short circuits. Pre-drilled mounting holes and heavy-duty Z-brackets streamline the installation process directly onto your rig. For travelers looking to power basic appliances, phone chargers, and LED lighting, this reliable 200-watt system provides a hassle-free transition into solar energy. On number 2, we have Dokio 200-watt foldable solar panel kit. For road trippers who prefer a flexible, drill-free power setup, the Dokio 200-watt foldable solar panel kit provides outstanding mobility. Weighing remarkably little and folding down into a compact carrying case, this portable suitcase-style panel is perfect for campers with limited roof area or those who park in shaded campsites. By simply deploying the panel on the ground and aiming it directly at the sun, you can optimize energy capture throughout the day without moving your vehicle. It comes equipped with a smart charging controller and multiple adapter cables, allowing direct connection to your 12-volt house batteries or portable power stations. The durable fabric enclosure resists outdoor wear, making this lightweight 200-watt kit a versatile power companion for boondocking trips. On number 3, we have Renogy 400-watt 12-volt solar panel kit. When extended off-grid living or heavy power demands require serious energy generation, the Renogy 400-watt 12-volt solar panel kit steps up to the task. Designed for full-time RVERs, this robust 4-panel system produces abundant daily wattage to charge large battery banks and run energy-intensive appliances like microwave ovens and water heaters. The premium monocrystalline panels maintain solid performance even in low light or partially overcast conditions. Paired with a high-capacity charge controller, the system efficiently manages power flow while supporting multiple battery chemistries, including AGM and lithium iron phosphate. The heavy-duty hardware included in the package ensures a permanent, weather-resistant roof setup built for long-distance travel. This 400-watt power station grants complete energy independence for long off-grid stays. So, these are some of the best solar panels to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.